Ever wished you could magically find your lost keys or wallet? The Apple AirTag is here to make that wish a reality, and it's a game changer for anyone wanting to keep track of their valuables. What truly sets AirTag apart is its incredible precision finding, with ultra-wideband technology, guiding you directly to your item with an on-screen arrow and haptic feedback like a digital compass. Imagine seeing the exact distance and direction to your item right on your iPhone. No more frantic searching under cushions. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just one tap brings it to life, instantly pairing with your iPhone and showing up in the Find My app, ready to secure your stuff in seconds. This seamless integration means you're tracking your belongings almost before you've even finished unboxing. Worried about it getting wet or dusty? Don't be. With an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, your AirTag can handle spills, splashes, and the rigors of daily life without missing a beat, protecting your investment. Plus, because it taps into the vast global Find My network, if your item is truly far away, millions of Apple devices can anonymously help locate it for you, an unparalleled tracking capability. If you're looking for the best Bluetooth tracker and a smart addition to your electronics, an AirTag 4-pack is an absolute must-have. Grab yours and experience true peace of mind. Don't wait to secure your essential items. Find the link in the description below to purchase your Apple AirTag on Amazon today. For unparalleled peace of mind and effortless item tracking, the Apple AirTag is undeniably one of the best electronics purchases you can make in 2025.